This is a review of the Johnson 48-inch digital level. As you can see, we're pointing at the computer of the level right now, which is dead center in the middle of the level. It's going up and down right now. As you can see, I'm slowly moving the level up and down just to show you how the numbers change on the green backlit screen. The backlit light can be turned on and off by a button here. It actually may be easier to see the non-backlit one in the video right now. But anyway, I'm going to leave the light on just so you get a feel for it. There's several different functions on here, different modes. It can hold, and it can make noises as well, which it's doing right now. And it has an on-off button. The on-off button simply turns the computer on and off. And this does have bubble levels, so that you could use it as a non-digital level if you wanted to as well. Anyway, I think you can get the feel for what the digital readout can do on a very basic level. It has some more advanced functions, but I haven't really gotten too far into those yet. As you can see, the level looks very much like a regular level. I have my 6-foot level down there on the floor. As you should be able to see, it's exactly the same width and more or less looks the same. It has 2 handles on either end. Unlike my 6-foot level, which simply has round holes, it does have these sort of ergonomic holes, which are pretty nice. Nothing fancy, but you know, it's a nice feature. It has kind of a cool look to it as well. The top is brushed aluminum. The whole thing is what they call aerospace aluminum. I don't know if there's anything to the aerospace part, but it sounds cool. And the top is brushed in a pattern going across, just to kind of give it a cool look and make the fingerprints not stick out as well. Something nice and shiny. What can you say? The rest is painted a darker yellow than my 6-foot level. A good solid construction look to it. It comes with the standard butt ends that most levels have, rubberized plastic. Shouldn't leave too many marks, and unlike rubber, but it will keep you from breaking your level and banging it up if you drop it, obviously. It's pretty well made. The construction seems very solid. I'd say slightly heavier than the average 4-foot level, possibly because of the computer, possibly just because of the high grade of aluminum that they used. Overall, I'd say it's a really nice piece. It does have 2 bubble levels, horizontal and a vertical as well on the 2 ends. So if you did want to use this without using the computer, you can do things the old-fashioned way as well. Anyway, there's not too many more features to go over here. It's a nice level. There's the bottom as well. You can see it's the same brushed aluminum going across as well. It's a good looking level, and the digital readout is pretty incredible. If you're like me, you've used bubble levels to your chagrin more than once, where you thought you had it right on, but it turns out you were a millimeter too high or too low. And man, in terms of accuracy, in terms of getting down to the absolute millimeter, this thing's pretty incredible. As you can see, it came up with an error screen right now. If you're holding it too far to the back when you turn it on, it will immediately tell you that it's in error mode. So you can't use it lying down. You have to use it standing up. That kind of makes sense. Same thing you'd have with a regular level. Anyway, that's about all I wanted to show you for now. It's a really nice level. It's got a lot of nice features, and it's going to make a big improvement on my woodworking projects. Anyway, that's all for now. Thank you.